Ouais.
Terrific hockey night is ahead. Tonight's game is sponsored by Honda. You cut it a little close, didn't you? But you're here, and so are we. Eddie Olczyk, Ray Ferraro, and me, Mike Emrick. Game just started. And long to Marlowe. Puck is thrown to Vermette. That's the way to make him pay.
Almost out of nowhere, the defender stepped.
Oh, would you look at that? All hope was lost.
I know it's a great save, but if you're the shooter, you gotta find a way to put the puck in the back of the net.
A shot. He missed the net with the shot. Great pad stop. Play to be made now by O'Reilly. A shot. They score. And one goes up on the board for the visitors. Washington's ahead by 1 goal here in the first period. A lot of time still left to play, but getting one and breaking the tie was huge. And the loose puck captured by Markov. Can he generate something? The Wood hands lug the puck in their own end diagonally to Forsberg. Takes it on. And that one's passed up the wing to Gaudreau. Oh, big sweeping save. The Wood hands lug the puck in center ice. Oh, and here's a 3-on-2. He drives toward the slot. Oh, pad stop on the
Je suis une chevaux.
Grab, great chance ahead. Terrific save, terrific opportunity.
You don't get many better opportunities than that. Great save.
Need to get rid of it. Why isn't he shooting? Dishes to the corner to Forsberg. Washington's got possession in the defensive zone. Pitching this one to Gaudreau. He could start some danger here. No shadow of the boards here. Really good move. He gets through. That's what those pads are for.
Oh my god, les gars. Ja, schon lange nicht mehr gespielt.
Quick work on the face-off.
Manager.
Puck now possessed by Eric Stone. Possession established on the pickup by Bouwmeester. Great chance here, 2-on-1. Great glove save.
Oh, he thought he had him on the glove side.
Oh, what a break. That shot hit somebody. Can he clear? Terrific open ice hit. The defense can rest.
Could go left, could go right. He picked the wrong way. That's a big hit, boys.
How did he get it?
Out of position, never. What a stop.
New Jersey's carrying on at center ice. And the arm of the referee comes up. A penalty. Penalty call coming. Watch for his signal here. Washington's got 2 for charging. There's always a start to your power play night, and this is number 1. Washington's carrying it through center. Lets it go. Good save there. Gets a little drop off from the goalie here.
Ja, aber was ist mit dir?
Corralled by Larson. And possession once again by O'Reilly. Gets on by. And the loose puck gathered in by Larson. Right along the blue line to Bouwmeester. The Wood Hens controlling play now on their own end. A 2-on-2 moving on. Tip to the net. Outstanding save. Difficult opportunity. Got the pad on it. Washington's gotten back even. Penalty kill. Ahead on that left wing to O'Reilly. For the 1-2.
Yes, baby.
They've tied the game up. A face-off win. Let's see what develops. The Wood Hens with possession in their own end. Drives to the crease. Nice play with the stick. Nothing more will come. Good work there. Poke checked away by Kessler. And possession established on the pickup by
Ja,
Matthews.
bra.
That one blocked. To Girardi. Good job just chopping it away. Taken in at the corner by Marlowe. Huge hit. Possession's gone.
Nimm den Sack mit, du.
We better tighten up our chin straps.
Washington's looking to headman up the wing. Nice poke check by Hagelin. And the puck is grabbed in his own end by Shattenkirk.
Stundenschwuler Mann.
Nice hit. Anything to
No
slow
way.
down here. The clock. Outstanding save. What magic even to get there and get the shot off.
You want to score goals, you have to go to this area. You got to find a way to put it in the net.
Rifled that pass straight up to Brouwer. A ripper from the point. Good kick of the puck by Brouwer.
Oj.
20 minutes in the books. Both teams scored a single time. Puck dropped, and we are underway in the second period of this tie game. Got his pad on that one. Passing one off now to Vermette. Possession taken over in the defensive zone by Shattenkirk. To O'Reilly. Pass cut. Looking to Vermette. New Jersey's in possession as they travel through center.
Vermette gets that puck in the offensive zone. He stick-handled himself into submission.
And they've got a 3-on-2 here. And a save. The Wood Hens with possession in the defensive zone.
Ja, warum?
Did he ever get mashed?
Oh, he's been looking for that hit all night.
Let's go, Rister. He beat everything but the post. Puck collected by Falk. Walking a thin line near the border there. Did not find the net with the shot.
My dad once told me, Doc, if you don't hit the net, you can't score.
Puck is
Ja, ist gut.
Snapped up that right wing to Weiss. It's a 3-on-2 as they move in. Great, wonderful stop.
With this puck being so close to net, this is all a reactionary save.
Out in the slot, gloved.
There was some room. Not enough. Great glove save.
Directed on, and there
Subi.
is one for the highlight reel.
He's always been one guy that never gives up on a play.
Great scoring chance here. Washington's carrying it in the defensive zone. Palat's carrying it through center. That play is offside and sent to center ice for the faceoff. Over 9 minutes played. Scrappy game. Both of these teams have connected once. Solid win at center ice. Now what? Pitching it to Verbata. Carries it toward the woodwork. And picked up in his own end by Vanek. Washington's continuing on at center. Snapping a pass to Eric Stahl. Still has it in neutral ice. Right in front. Big hit. Possession gone.
Anytime you get hit in the open ice like that, that is a jolt.
Could this be icing? And it will be based on the defense arriving first. Good job tying the man up on the faceoff. Teammate comes in. Lindholm's tripped up. That
Ja, come on.
And we get a penalty here. The referee strides over to hand it out. New Jersey's given a minor here for tripping. Washington's initial attempt on the power play.
That's
And
fancy.
that shot missed.
I know what he's trying to do there, Doc, but you got to hit the net in this situation.
New Jersey shifting gears as they travel through center ice.
Eric Stahl's got to try to simplify his game there. Just too much stick handling.
He's shown us quite a bit on the move, didn't he? Oh, here's a wrister. The puck is scooped up by Green. Onside. What a move. Got his glove on it. Nap by O'Reilly. Heads on behind. Shot on. Oh, and blocked away. Moving it to Camilleri. New Jersey setting things up in center. The Wood Hands with a big penalty kill. We're back at full strength. Trying to go to Kucherov. He got in. Wrister.
Ja, kannst du nur das? Nicht mal das kannst.
Oh, what a terrific save in close.
Not often you're all alone in front of the goaltender from this area of the ice. Great save.
Ja.
One-timer. Great glove save, and he keeps it.
The goalie gave him the glove side, and he took it away. What a stop.
Gathered in by O'Reilly. Laid on to Shattenkirk. Chopped on. Decides to get a little more space back here. Ranks one. And another save there. He's got it frozen. Not easy. Washington's got that face-off win. New Jersey setting things up through the neutral zone. 2-on-1 opportunity. Fires. Got a piece of it with the glove. Heads to the front. We're in the last minute of this middle period. Washington's on the move in neutral ice. And possession seized by Brouwer. Directing that one to Zuccarello. And he motors on through the neutral zone. Carried to the corner by Zuccarello.
No.
Back in his defensive end to get it. Washington setting things up at center. And a good save there.
Digga. Dat is de goalie.
40 minutes have been played. A rest is deserved. In the third period, we are as we started, tied.
Nee, is niet.
The Wood Hands in their own end in possession. Banked right ahead. Forcing attention indeed. He's through.
Was kijkt de toad?
That is a huge hit. Washington in control of the puck in their own end.
Aha.
Through center
Dat
ice,
dat
he's
geeft
still
zich
holding
van
on to
10.
it well. Shot on goal. Oh, what a club he's got there.
Heb ik gar niet gezien bis jetzt. Ja, die kan er niet. Dat is nou wat.
Rounded up by Shattenkirk. Possession once again by Leddy. Pass attempt to Neal. And now it's directed to Eberle. Great move there. Slot shot.
Ja, moest net hier lopen.
Good skill by both goalie and shooter.
A quick developing play right in front. Almost looks like he's too close to the goaltender.
Outstanding play. Sliced down.
Ja, niemand niet.
Gathered in by Markov. Washington setting things up at center. He is shut right off.
Bang.
I've never seen a helmet fly before.
Johnny Gaudreau, that Hobie Baker Award winner out of Boston College, gets the puck. Shoots one, grabbed that one and held on. Washington's got it in their own end and worked up the wing to Brouwer. Looking from the blue line. Wrist shot. Marvelous save. A great chance was no chance. Shooting. Outstanding save by the goalie. New Jersey's got it in the defensive zone. Snapped up the wing to Kessler. What a terrific opportunity. Speeds right on goal. Great job on a cut pass. Puck controlled by Brouwer. The Wood Hams continue on in the defensive zone. And now possession established, neutralized by Green. That one fired down. The defense will win the race, and icing is called.
Fuck the hell, man.
A little under 9 minutes to go in the third.
Is een beetje krustig, moet ik zeggen.
And it's driven away. Puck covered, whistle blown. New Jersey's got a face-off win. Puck is thrown to Gaudreau. That pass is cut. A good deke there. Terrific glove save, but it's loose.
Oeh, eerst toegelijk.
Propelled to Bouwmeester. Marched narrowly inside. Guarded the goal again. Pass comes to him from the crease. Pitching this one to Ribeiro. Cruises to the slot. Marvelous save. No time on that one.
You talk about cutting down the angle. Perfectly executed by the goaltender.
Puck fired down. Decision made. Defenders first. Icing. The Wood Hams win it. Marvelous save by Bernier. Passing one off now to Vanek. The stick can break up a play, and it just did.
Kom, neem de zak.
Possession now on the pickup by Dan Girardi. Washington's lugging it along in their own end, shifting gears. Oh, and he is drilled. Save. Looking to Zuccarello. New Jersey's controlling play now through neutral ice. Odd man rush, 2-on-1. Great glove save, but it's loose.
Ja, aber nicht dort hindern. Was ist das? Was?
Washington's moving the puck up the wing.
Da kommst du nicht rein.
It to Vermette. Slices through the
Oh,
neutral
hier ran
zone.
nicht.
That's a good solid hit. He'll feel that one. Snapping a pass to Forsberg. 2-on-1. Nice fake, shakes him loose. Turned away. One-timer.
Ja, ja. Die hat er nicht. Come on.
Last minute of regulation time. And a bomb to Palat. A stick comes up. And a
Oh
penalty
nein.
will be called.
Jetzt habe ich noch Strafe.
Terrific save.
Digga, aber musst jetzt die Chance schauen.
And he made it tough.
A missed opportunity for
Hast du sie jetzt gerade gesehen, oder?
Andrews has a high-sticking minor penalty call. Washington's power play gets another chance to operate. Hasn't been effective yet. And a save. Chip to Eric Stahl.
Ja, eben hat er sie gehabt, der Fick.
Drives to the net.
Nein, ich bin ja die Rote, Digga.
Washington's got possession in neutral ice. They gain the zone, but there are two men back. Moving it to Camilleri. Gets by. Thrown to the spot. Superb.
Haben wir schon Jordi gemacht?
Bernier.
Komm on, nein.
Trying to go to Marlowe. Washington's in possession as they try
So
to the
verdient
center
hätte ich es
ice.
gehabt.
He throws it there, and another save. Mark him down for one more.
Digga.
This game is on the way to overtime.
Mann. OT, Digga.
Period begins with one
Richtige
team still
Bully-Win.
short. The penalty kill continues on this faceoff.
Oh, fuck.
Tries to get it on net. The loose puck taken by Mike Camilleri. Moving well with it at center. Got on by with that one. Another solid pass save. Clock bleeding down on the power play. Centering pass. Oh, what a move.
Ah!
The wood hands save. Penalty kill. Great block, and he's able to just keep it working. Block that.
Wow.
Loose puck taken by Markov.
Hij
To
bent zo
Kucherov.
lekker.
Jabbed away by Eberle. Strong play, good reach. Slid to Kucherov. Oh, a save.
Komm, nimm die Scheibe, Mann. Was ist mit
By
dir?
Eberle. New Jersey's in their own end, setting things up. On to Zuccarello. Goes right past. Oh, good chance here. He's got a wonderful centering pass. Directing that one to Palat.
Ja, sicher
Drives
Offside.
to
Das ist
the
schon.
crease. Terrific save. Terrific opportunity.
You want to score goals, you have to go to this area.
Oh, that's good. Brings a shot. Outstanding save. What magic to even get the shot away. Good intercept. Back near the blue line to Letty. Puck held near the point. He heads right for the net.
Come on!
Overtime is finished.
Jetzt haben sie gestuhlt, Digga. Der Sieg. Meine Freunde. Digga. Königskötschli. Digga. Weil die anderen besser sind. Und ich die neu habe. Ja, den Josi habe ich erst gerade geholt. Und den Jones habe ich ein Päckchen gehabt. Und ich habe vorhin nicht dran gedacht, darum habe ich es jetzt erst gewechselt. Digga. Sundi.
Datsun's the starter here. That means he is expected to set the tempo. New Jersey's got the puck, and they get to make the first play. And he's hammered.
If you're coming through that area of the ice, you better have your head up.
Picked up in the attacking zone.
Ish.
The Wood Hens starting back in their own.
Yep.
Puck is picked up in the neutral zone by Zuccarello. Tripped up on the play, and there will be a penalty. Ekman Larsson's headed to the penalty box. A minor for tripping. And so begins power play number 1. Let's see if it's power. Got a piece of that one. Got that pass in the corner. Shot. Score!
Goal.
Power play goal. Forsberg's goal has given his team the early lead.
I think everybody in the building felt the momentum starting to change.
Good standing poke check by Eric Stahl. Scooped up by Hedman. Toward the net. Oh, terrific save on a great chance.
You talk about cutting down the angle. Perfectly executed by the goaltender. Love the energy they're playing in the offensive zone with.
Take it to the slot.
Come on, was ist jetzt los?
Pad save. No room for a pass. Outstanding save. What magic even to get there and get the shot off.
Hey.
New
Should
Jersey's
lose.
in their own end and in possession. Enormous collision. What a move. He heads right for the net. Poke checked away. Pass cut. Strong play. Gets on by. Goudreau's tripped and a penalty should be coming. Edmonds going to the box. A player hit the ice, and the call on them is tripping. Anything you do once, you can do twice. Let's see if that... Oh, big sweeping save. And he'll cover. The Lions with a face-off win. Looking to Tarasenko. Huge hit. Possession's gone. Schneider's back behind his net and is able to stop it right there. Trying to go to Vermette. They've got a 2-on-1. He's into the slot. Outstanding.
Ja, die hat er.
Great glove save and he keeps it.
What the
Now
fuck?
that's a quick glove.
Shoots.
Jawohl. Baby.
Another power play goal.
Ja, gute Nacht, mein Freund. Schaust aber noch schnell das zweite Goal, bitte. Halt. Also, ciao.
If you really think about it, at some point the puck's got to get through the middle of the ice, the area in between the two face-off dots. If you get there, you're going to get rewarded.
Vermette's displayed some sweet hands. That's a soft dish right on the tape.
New Jersey's controlling play through center. Nap by Forsberg.
Ah,
And he takes it through center ice. That's the way to make him pay.
Almost out of nowhere, the defender steps into him. That hurts.
And it's nabbed by Ribeiro. New Jersey's carrying it on through center ice. Great stick there. Dawn, they've got a 2-on-1 here. Huge stop by Niemi. Steps between the circles.
yes, sir.
3 straight goals. Over 9 minutes played here in the first. New Jersey's widened the margin even more with that recent goal. They're up by 3. Possession once again by Doug Gilmour. Could not be filtered.
Chilling,
through.
no?
Strong play by Paul. The Wood Hens carrying it on in neutral ice. Fine.
Ja, der erste Schuss.
Out in front. Snapped up by Nash. New Jersey's starting back in their own end. Grabbed along by Hagelin. Making headway up the boards. Passing one off now to Kessler.
Nee, aber was ist denn los?
New Jersey's in possession along the boards. He used the stick well, didn't he? That one by Oposo. Puck controlled by Mike Camilleri. Oh, poke check save on there. To the slot. Brings a shot.
Ja, aber muss doch,
Outstanding
muss
save.
doch.
Difficult opportunity.
You want to score goals, you have to go to this area. You got to find a way to put it in the net.
And the puck is grabbed by Zuccarello. Moves it to the barrier at center ice. Great job slipping on by. Right in front.
Yes, ist gut.
He's right in front.
Verliert er. Nein, ja.
To Tarasenko. Directing that one to
Ich habe sie nicht gemacht, weil er auch die Scheibe verliert.
Good poke check by Shea Weber. On through the corner. Oh,
Damn.
did he ever get mashed?
I'm glad somebody's trying to wake his team up.
Fires. Missed the net.
Da brennt's, da brennt's.
Along the boards.
Meine lieben Streaming-Freunde.
The Wood Hands
Meine lieben Follower.
laid up that right side to Verbata. And he's all alone.
Johnny Gaudreau.
Marvelous
No
save by
goal.
Niemi.
Fuck.
Gathered in by Pacioretty. Continues through the neutral zone. Got on by with that one. Oh, and the pass just didn't work. The clock has bled down to the last minute. The puck is fielded now by Eric Stahl.
Aber hey.
Moves behind the net. He's got that centering pass. Did not find the net with the shot.
Right idea, but he just missed the net.
He drives toward the slot. Right on his stick. Can he get it? The first period.
Ja, guter Start, guter Start.
Scoring game for one team.
Der was? Der Weißruss. Belarus.
Second period is underway.
Kein
Let's see if the
Bulgare.
gap can be closed. He's free, but will it last?
Ja, aber hey, mach ich sie auch mal nicht.
The puck is scooped up by Pavel Datsyuk. And he
Ja, ich habe
slides it
Datsyuk.
on through the middle. Speared along by Hamhuis. A good reach prevailed. Great poke check. The Wood Hands are moving the puck in their own end. Pitching it to Everly.
Note.
Moves to the corner. Possession now on the pickup by
Look
Shea
mal.
Weber.
Wow.
A shot. Terrific save there. Didn't look like he had anything to shoot at, and he made it tough.
Not a lot of room to score from in that area. Great save.
Drop home, check.
Oh, home.
Goalie reaches the bench. Extra man out.
Camel.
Possession seized by Camilleri.
Ja, aber wo steht denn der Verteidiger? Oh! Sie ist ja... Digga, jetzt haben
Pass attempt to Everly.
wir das leere, das eigene leere Goal an diese
To
gemacht.
the neutral zone. Got it in the slot. A magnificent pad save. Camilleri's caught us.
Hast du es gesehen? Okay. Oh, wow. Ich bin ganz stehen geblieben mit meinem Männchen.
Every game presents a fork in the road opportunity, and this is it. It's a long 5-on-3 power play, and it begins now. Outstanding save with the glove.
That was all position.
Ja, der ist raus, weil es Strafanzeige war. Sobald sie eben die Scheibe berührt, ist Abpfiff und darum kann der Goalie eigentlich raus.
New Jersey's in their own end, setting things up. Elevated.
Weil sie ja eigentlich gar keine Torchancen kreieren können. Weißt du, was ich meine?
Turn right away with the poke check.
Aber wenn ich sie selber ins Leere mache, dann zählt sie eben dann gleich als Goal.
Puck picked up by Forsberg. Great scoring chance here.
Ja, aber hey.
Solid defensive play with the stick. Offside stops the clock.
Scheiße. 5 gegen 3, Mann, das ist schon ein Goal.
Minutes have
Oder?
elapsed here in the second. There have been 3 goals in this game. They've all come from one team. Speed's right on goal. The shot is off.
He was trying to be a little bit too fine there. That's why he missed the net.
New Jersey's in control of the puck in the defensive zone.
Ja, aber komm.
Lions have killed it all. Big chance here. Score!
Ja, aber wow!
Step in the road back.
Ja, was ist das für ein Goal? Er kann einfach geradeaus fahren und sie dann auf der Seite rein tun. Was ist das? Wie schwaul, hey.
Zetterberg's foot speed created that breakaway chance, and he scored.
The Lions are trying to fight their way back into this game. They trail now only by 2 here in the second. Neutralized face-off win. And the possession taken up by McDonough. Back in his defensive end to get it. Drives to the net. New Jersey's in possession as they travel in their own end. Long lead pass to Eric Stahl. Close.
Ja, aber come on.
Puck is thrown to Opposo. 2-on-1. The Wood Hens in their own end have control of the puck. Gathered in by Hetman. And he'll continue possession in the defensive zone. Loose puck brought in by Hetman. New Jersey's organizing things back in the defensive zone. Moved along and in. Carried to the corner boards by Leddy. Enormous hit.
Oh, he's been looking for that hit all night.
Yes, sir.
The Wood Hens have added to their overwhelming score, and they continue to have the puck most of the time. Pitching this one to Ribeiro. Heads to the front. Great opportunity, but the pass didn't connect. Heads on to the corner. Corralled by Ryan Suter. And he maintains possession out of his own end. New Jersey's on the move in neutral ice. It's an odd man rush. It's a 3-on-2. Pass cut. Gathered in by Forsberg. Chip to Pietrangelo. It's an onside play.
Ja, aber lauf nicht, hey. Was ist
The
mit dir?
Lions in their own end lug that puck along. Right in front. Oh, what a terrific save in close.
You don't get many better opportunities than that. Great save.
New Jersey's on the move.
Boom, bang.
And he is reefed.
The crowd is absolutely loving it.
Score! He's
Boom.
got his second.
Oh, look. Rage quit. Ciao, ciao. The fuck? Jetzt hat's nicht zählt. Es hat nicht zählt. Es hat nicht zählt. Come on. Come on. Oh, Gott will sagen, Mann. Wow. Geil, das Shit ist immer noch drauf. Weiter. Oh, ich habe so viel von diesen Kärtchen, ich muss die auch alle brauchen. Es ist so langsam, das Spiel. Die Menüführung, da schlafst du fast ein. Das ist so traurig. Ja, es ist wirklich groß. Ja, und du zockst nicht eigentlich, oder? Magst du nicht? Mhm. Habe ich da noch Handy? Ja. Ja, habe ich Handy. Er braucht noch Handy. Der Neil braucht das Gating und dann wieder. Alright, alright, alright. Ah, ja, ja. Zebras. MSV Zebras. Ach, Deutsch. Degas. Sein PSN-Accountname ist Zebra02. Zebra schon gehabt, Zebra 1 auch. Ja, dann müssen Zebra 02 nehmen. Was für ein
It's a wonderful night for hockey. From far above center ice with Eddie Olczyk, I'm Mike Emmerich. Ray Ferraro is ice side. We'll hear from him shortly. Pittsburgh's got the puck and they get to make the first play.
Sicher massiv gut,
Into
schau.
the slot. Wonderful save. What skill by both goalie and shooter.
A quick development.
Score!
Ja, und ich komme immer so Mönche Goal über, gell? Wirklich. So Halbchancen, die einfach so eingehen.
It doesn't get any better than that when you get off to an early lead.
Picks it up in his own end.
Bullshit.
And this play is whistled down. It is offside. Neutralized face-off win. The Wood Hams through the neutral zone continue with possession. Cut on by with that one. Fires. The Wood Hams carrying on through the neutral zone. Shoots one. Another solid pad save.
Ui.
Pressure is intense. Who can get it out of there? Great save.
Wow, what a save there, Doc.
Waits with it. Elects not to shoot. Got it in the slot. The Zebras have it.
Bei mir wäre es rein.
Oh, and he is drilled.
He might have seen him at the last minute to absorb that hit.
Ribeiro's cutting through the neutral zone. Nice move to shake on through. Ribeiro's tripped up. That should be a penalty. Referee over to the penalty box, and let's find out. Pittsburgh sent to the box for 2 minutes. It's tripping. And so begins power play number 1. Let's see if it's power play goal number 1. New Jersey's got that face-off win. To Vermette. Pittsburgh's got
Yeah,
it in
but
the
come on.
defensive zone. Pitching this one to Gallagher. Puck controlled by Zuccarello. Head up as he carries it up the wing. It's a 2-on-2. What do they do next? He drives toward the slot. Oh, terrific save on a great chance. Marvelous save. No time on that one.
You want to score goals, you have to go to this area.
Oh, and the pass wouldn't go. Right near the goal stripe in the corner to Vermette.
Yeah, baby.
And they've tied the game up. Over 7 minutes gone. 2 goals so far, divided in half. Solid win at center ice. Now what? Moves to the corner. Oh, look at this. The Wood Hams continue on in the defensive zone. Got that in the trapper.
Oh, if you're a shooter, you don't want to see the goaltender flash his glove like that.
Now it's directed to Eric Stahl.
Come on.
Pittsburgh's carrying on at center ice. He heads right for the net. To Verbata. Moves up the wing. Pass attempt to Goudreau. He's in, but not free yet. Goudreau's tripped and a penalty should be coming. Behind the net. Schneider's at the bench. 6 attackers now. Good jab with the stick there.
Fuck off.
And we get a penalty. Referee to the table, a player to the box. The Zebras have been handed a minor penalty for tripping. Anything you do once, you can do twice. Let's see if that applies to this particular power play. Gathered in by James Neal. New Jersey setting things up in the defensive zone. Right along the blue line to Forsberg. Forcing attention in deep. Poke checked away by Hornquist. Loose puck regathered by Forsberg. Karam pass to Bukestad. Really good move. Right in front. Outstanding save. Difficult opportunity.
Ja, kommt nicht vorbei.
The Zebras are back even. Oh, and he's hammered. One into another.
Oh, that nasty hit. Somebody's going to come to the aid of that player.
A shot. Score.
Jawohl, Mann.
He's got his second.
Zuccarello, Mann.
Broken the tie, and they are way ahead on the shot board. Over 6 minutes still showing on the clock this period. We had a tie game until just moments ago. It's a one-goal contest. Heads to the front. Mark Giordano has it there. All-star game at age 31. Good use of the stick. Broke that pass out. Taken behind by Landeskog. Lightning in that glove.
Ja, aber kannst du auch.
Puck gathered in by Everly.
Kötschli, ja.
Look at this chance.
Oh, come on.
Everything but the post. Puck is thrown to Landeskog. Slid to Bukestad.
Was hat der für Spieler, Mann? Kötschli Spieler, ja.
Back near the blue line to Barry. Shoots it on. Oh, and it's off the mark. And down to Bukestad. Possession seized
Oh,
by
aber
Gabriel Landeskog.
ich hasse es.
Gaining
Ich habe doch die Scheibe und nachher habe ich sie gerade wieder so nicht mehr.
for a pass.
Nicht mal etwas machen. Mann.
48 to go. To the last 37. Great scoring chance.
Ja, aber
here.
hey, schlafst.
Play to be made now by Bergin.
Fuck.
Shoots one. A brilliant save at the horn. The first period has come to a close, and we do have a score. It's a close game.
Siehst du
after
das?
one.
Der hat einfach gepennt.
You'd expect that from these two. Hockey's narrowest
Einfach nicht geschossen, Mann. Hä?
One goal.
Ja, wirklich.
Zuccarello's goal was pretty good, but is it the difference maker? It is for right now. We had to break. First period has been played. Second period about to start. A look ahead.
Pittsburgh's team is still in this game, Doc. They're down by 1 goal, but easily could be a lot more. You hear the term now, puck management. They did not manage the puck at all in that first period.
Middle period has just begun. Drives to the crease. Jabbed away by Alex Pietrangelo. Moves behind the net.
Nichts ist das.
Back in his defensive end to get it. The Wood Hens control the play in their own end. Marches on a cross.
Ja, genau.
Poke checked away by Zuccarello. Directing that one to Everly. No shadow of the boards here.
Beverly's lost that puck in the
Come on.
offensive zone. He stick-handled himself into submission.
Looks ahead to start something. Snapping a pass to Neal. Heads on to the corner. He's got a chance.
Ja, aber wie schiessest denn du wie ein Mädchen, Mann?
Not much room to work, but he got a good shot away.
Not often you're all alone in front of the goaltender from this area of the ice. Great save. Love the give-and-go hockey.
Waits with it. Outstanding save. What magic even to get there and get the shot off. Still no shot. Oh, the pass just didn't work. Why isn't he shooting? Forsberg's tripped out.
Nah.
It should be a penalty. He's headed to the penalty box. A minor for tripping. New Jersey's to the power play again. And they have rung in one already. Let's see if they get another. The wood hands.
Ah, Gressler.
A shot. He hits
Oh, come on.
that puck out of play over the glass. A face-off win. Let's see what develops. Oh, broke it up. Could be trouble.
Nein.
That play is offside, and so back to center ice for the faceoff. Under 7 minutes have been skated in the second. New Jersey's got a lead, but it's just 2-1. Puck controlled by Fall. Gotta ice it here. In the defensive zone, making headway. Pitching it to Hornquist. A 2-on-2 moving on. Out in the slot. Trying to go to Vermette. New Jersey's in possession as they travel through the neutral zone. On through the corner. Terrific hand-eye. Carried to the corner by Mike Camilleri. Into the corner with that pass. Wonderful work in close and a brilliant save.
The goalie makes himself look big.
The Zebras are back even. Score!
Yes,
That's
sir.
3 in a row. The Wood Hens have heavily outshot the opposition here, and they have a 2-goal lead to show for it. Face-off win, and now what will they do with it? Passing one off now to Verbata. And he motors on through the neutral zone. Nice move to shake on through. Kick save, outstanding. Not through. Oh, here's a wrister. Ring 10 bells for that save. New Jersey's starting back in their own end. Taken in his own end of the ice by Barrett.
Oh,
Keeps it going up the wing. Great scoring chance here. And that shot
Wow.
missed.
You know what, Doc? I can see why he missed enough. There was nothing there. He tried to be too fine.
The Wood Hens through the neutral zone controlling the play. Verbata's tripped and a penalty should be coming. And we get a penalty here. Referee strides over to hand it out. The Zebras are going to the box for 2 minutes, and the call is tripping. A power play that can generate goals is special, and this one has been. Let's see if it continues. Oh, what a move. One-timer. Score!
Boom.
A power play goal yet again.
das hat Boom gemacht.
Lead, and we're still in the second period. Over 7 minutes to go, second period. Do you see a pattern developing here? They're up now by 3. Speared along by Neal. New Jersey's lugging it along in their own end. Puck out in front. Great save, point blank.
With this puck being so close to net, this is all a reactionary save.
Let's go, Arister. They can't find the target.
Ja, aber hey.
Give yourself a
Oh, wow. Muss Tor sein, mein Freund.
They need some net front presence.
Elects not to shoot.
Ja, den muss er
New
nicht.
Jersey's
Die
recording
nicht
back
machst.
in their own end. Nice pass right up the gut.
Ui, ui, ui.
Right off.
Oh, what a hit.
He's down, he's down. We got a man down.
That's a fly. Just wide of the post. Possession established on the pickup by Gallagher. And he continues in neutral ice.
Ja,
Blocked.
stimmt.
And he is reefed.
Oh, he's been looking for that hit all night.
Shook through great. Booted aside. Puck now possessed. Great work with the pad. Looking for a better lane. Fires in front.
Oh, come on.
The shot.
Now it's time to get the puck to the net.
Hit by the stick. That's just good fundamental defense. Pulls his way along. Looking for options. Lets it go. Got it all.
There was some room. Not enough. Great glove save.
Defensive zone win. Possession gained by Landeskog. Two periods have been played in our game. A lot of goals have been scored, and maybe even more coming up in the third. through the game.
I'm
What do you
only.
think, Eddie?
The Woodhands have had their way offensively, putting up a bunch of goals here through the first 2 periods of play. Let's see how they play it the rest of the game. Do they sit back, or do they look to add to their comfortable lead?
Ich kann das Goal
Skating
nicht
with it
machen.
now in their own end. Looking to Bukestad. Set outstanding point blank save.
Not a lot of room to score from in that area. Great save.
He's
Oh,
right in front.
look.
Got his pad
Oh.
on that one. To Eberle. Right up the side. Oh, that's good. Toward the net.
Schon
And he
wieder.
missed it.
Digga.
Slowed up and just missed the side of the net.
Speeds right on goal. Simple play. Made well. Strong defense. Pittsburgh's moving the puck through center ice. Picked up in the attacking zone. He's into the slot. Pass. Puck is seized by Alex Pietrangelo. The Woodhands carrying
Oh,
on
well,
in the defensive zone. Moving it to Neal. Pitching this one to Forsberg. Drill. Just couldn't find the target.
Right idea, but he just missed the net.
It's a 3-on-2. How will they defend this? Drives to the net. Loose puck captured by Sharp. Taken up near the boards by Yossi. The linesmen were watching very carefully. That is an offside. Just a tad under 8 minutes have gone by. A 3-goal edge. On the big board, it says 4-1. Look at this! Pittsburgh's lugging it along in their own end, shifting gears. Now it's directed to Bodker. Possession once again in his own end by Leddy. To Camilleri.
Camilleri's creating chances for his teammates with 2 assists so far.
Turned right away with the poke check by Brodin. Taken on by Hagelin. Great glove save, and he keeps it.
That slight hesitation by the shooter allowed the goaltender to make a beautiful glove save.
Pittsburgh's organizing back in the defensive zone.
Pang,
Can
pang,
he
pang,
generate
pang.
something from there?
Oh.
Right into the slot. Great
Ooh,
poke check. The Woodhands in their own end in possession as they travel. Pass attempt to Hagelin.
Bist du fast verjagt,
Crosses to the slot. That's the way to make them pay.
That's why coaches tell you at every level, you've got to have your head up.
Pittsburgh's carrying it through center. Right in front.
Jobby.
Propelled to Fowler. Oh, what a play. Pittsburgh's in possession as they travel in their own end. Looking from the blue line. Right from the slot. Has it.
Sladas.
Save.
Hey.
To the slot. Passed one right between the circles. Puck is thrown to Eric Stahl. A neutral zone carry. Taken to the corner. Marvelous save. No time on that one.
Seems like he was in too tight on the goaltender.
Directing that one to Perron. And he's hammered.
Oh dear.
Continuing through neutral ice. Puck is picked up by Eberle.
Jobby.
That play went offside.
Ja, Futz.
They win the draw and will now set up an attack. Picks it up in his own end. Still on the move in their own end. The Zebras carrying it on in neutral ice. Steps between the circles. Turned
Was
away.
denkst du, wer du bist?
Shoots. Oh, what a terrific save in close. Snapping a pass to Ribeiro. Carried through the middle. Nice fake. Shakes him loose. He's going to the net. We are in the 60th minute out of 60. Heads to the front. Punched away. And the possession taken by James Neal. Oh, terrific save on a great chance.
You talk
Was
about
ist denn los?
perfectly executed by the goaltender.
Was ist jetzt?
You can't ask much more from your goaltender than this. That's an excellent wrist shot that he's able to deny.
Fünfte? Was ist jetzt gewesen?
New Jersey's got another win. to the point
Aha.
continues. Big sweeping save. The Zebras ready in attack back in the defensive zone.
Nie kommst du da durch.
Marched narrowly inside. Gathered in by Alex Pietrangelo.
Ja, bey.
And the puck taken over.
Oh, komm. Die hure Dreckspass.
Terrific
Ja, die
glove
Pass.
save.
Fehlpass. Scheiße.
Right into the slot. Save. Pitching it to Bodker. Game over.
Big win, boys.
A huge lead into the third.
Vorgerückt im Finale. Okay, komm. So, ein Spiel. Ja, was soll ich denn machen? Aber ich kann eigentlich nur schnell ein Manager wählen, um da ein bisschen traden und Kärtchen schauen. Und dann habe ich gedacht, mache ich mal eins und dann ja. Und jetzt bin ich im Finale. Oh Scheiße. Ja, aber jetzt muss ich da schnell ein paar Sachen. Also ein paar Booster holen, du. Ah, ich habe da nicht jenes Kärtchen. Wow. Hä? Habe ich da noch Schuss? Checks. Ja, come on. Wie viel denn? Okay, super. Tschüss. Wie viel habe ich von denen? Wow. Okay. Super. Das ist aber toll. Scheiße, noch zwei Checks. Fuck. Handy. Ein paar Hände rumliegen da. Hm? Momo. Ja, die sind nur ein Match gültig. Ausser du hast... Siehst du jetzt dort, also wenn ich das Kärtchen kehre, dann siehst du dort Training 1 von 1. Das hat, bei dem Spieler ist einfach... du kannst nur ein Trainingskärtchen einsetzen. Das meistens die Jungen, die kannst 5, 7 oder so rein tun. Und die Tour ist einfach immer ein Spiel. Aber es gibt so Kärtchen, die die Tour verlängern. Also du kannst irgendwie einem, weiß ich wie, 5 Kärtchen rein tun. Nachher hast du so ein Tour-Kärtchen rein, wo irgendwie 15 Spiele ist oder so. Und dann, ja. Aber das, ich weiß gar nicht, ob es die Kärtchen noch gibt. Ich habe noch nie eins gesehen. Aber in den alten Spielen hat es das immer gehabt. Und ja, ich meine, dann kannst du mit jungen Spielern, eigentlich mit Noobs, kannst du ein verdammtes Team zusammenstellen, oder wenn du einfach mit den Trainingskärtchen schaffst, bringst du ein besseres Team an eigentlich, als wenn du irgendwie alles Profis drin hast. Aber ja, eben. Noch nicht alle Checks. Das brauche ich jetzt auch nicht. Ich finde, er hat doch 5 Sachen in auch. Ja, wobei eben, Viertellinie, das lohnt sich eigentlich gar nicht so. Hey. Das Männchen ist weg. The fuck? Ja, mein Kärtchen ist weg dort. Was geht? The fuck? Wo was? Sorry? Die sind in meinem Team, die Spieler, ja? Oder was? Nein. Die, die sind fix, ja. Ja, so ist das. Ja, das ist nicht, weißt du, Saison oder so. Ja, habe ich jetzt einfach 2 Spieler in dieser Sturmlinie, oder was? Nein, jetzt ist irgendetwas abgehackt, Mann. Ja, welcome to NHL. Fick das, ey. Nein, du kannst schon Saison spielen, weißt du? So einen Saisonmodus, so einen Karrieremodus. Und dort werden verändern sich die Skills, also die Stats schon, von den Spielern. Aber das ist etwas anderes. Hm? Aha, nein. Das ist so Kärtchen, das ist so Ultimate Team. Da machst du so Sammelkärtchen, so Päckchen auf und so. Und dann kommen die Kärtchen aus und die Spieler kannst du dann in dein Team gestalten und so. Und all die Vertragskärtchen und